Subject. Welcome to the valley. Welcome to existence. Everyone's here. Everyone's here. Everybody's watching you now. Everybody waits for you now. What happens next? What happens next? Till you know, till you know, till you leave yourself off the floor, till you know, till you know that the day never happened, the day never happened before. Welcome to the fall. Welcome to this time. The tension is here. The tension is here. We know you are who you could be. Doing how it is and how it should be. Yeah. Till you know, till you know, till you leave yourself up off the floor. Till you know, till you know, like the day never happened, the day never happened. Maybe redemption has stories to tell. Maybe forgiveness is right on your breath. Where can you run to escape from yourself? Where you gotta go? Where you gotta go? Salvation is you. Till you move, till you move, till you leave yourself up off the floor. Till you move, till you move, like the day never happened, the day never happened, the day never happened, the day never happened before.
Thank you, Dale. Mr. Zane, what can you say about his performance? Sorry. Hi, Dale. Feel ko naman yung feeling dun sa song. And siguro, be careful with the clearness of the diction. Pero kaya mo naman dalahin yung pitch niya, the high notes and the low notes. And I think everybody nag-enjoy naman sa'yo. So congrats. Thank you, Mr. Dave. May I invite our contestants to stand stage? So, sabay-sabay sa kakanta. Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our three contestants.